If you thought a Grasshopper would be too large a machine for your mowing, we invite you to learn more about the 100 Series mid-mount mowers from Grasshopper. Now you can have the beautiful cut you've always envisioned with the ease and precision of Grasshopper's famed maneuverability. Since 1970, Grasshopper mowers have been known for their exceptionally comfortable ride, smooth operation, superb cut, unparalleled performance, and legendary durability. The 100 Series follows that storied tradition, as these machines share many of the same characteristics of their bigger brothers, but are designed with smaller yards and smaller budgets in mind. They're also designed to gain access through gated areas or highly landscaped areas that require a narrow machine with true zero-turn capability. These compact mowers boast the size and maneuverability of commercial walk-behind mowers, but without the fatigue. The Comfort Ride operator station features a fully cushioned molded seat with foldable armrests, providing you unparalleled mowing comfort. A roomy footrest incorporates Grasshopper's exclusive shock impact reduction system, minimizing the jolts of mowing uneven or rough terrain. The View Ease console puts all indicators, switches, and fuses within close reach. And the adjustable beverage holder makes it easy to secure your beverage of choice. HydroSmooth levers provide complete and intuitive control of both speed and direction, and can be controlled effortlessly with just one hand. With zero-turn maneuverability and a top speed of 7.5 miles per hour, you'll reduce your mowing time by an incredible 50% or more. It's been said that good things come in small packages. Grasshopper's new 100 Series mid-mount mowers proves that adage to once again be true. For more information or to request a no-cost demo, please contact your local Grasshopper dealer or visit us on the web at grasshoppermower.com. Grasshopper, your next mower.